Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following mini vehicles here. So now let's check with me from this one first. បាទអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាឥឡូវយើងធ្វើការ check ឡានបាទ The first one is a racing car number 9 cute racing car number 9. Next one everybody បាទអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានេះគឺ bus mini bus short mini bus. Let's move. Mini airplane, very nice airplane. Let's check another one. Batman. បាទមនុស្សពជាវអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទ hero Batman. Next one everybody. Red super motorbike. Red super motorbike. My favorite motorbike. Okay. Another one. Mobil Tanki. Mobil Tanki. បាទភាសាឥណ្ឌូនេស៊ីគេហៅថា Mobil Tanki បាទឡាន stand ឬក៏ tank truck. How about this one? Iron Man. Red Iron Man. Okay, next one. Green racing car, mini green racing car. Ba, អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានេះគឺ racing car number 9 orange color. Okay, let's move to another interesting vehicle. Super motorbike, cute color. Next one. Die-cast car, die-cast car. ឥឡូវយើងធ្វើការបាទ check បន្តទៀត នេះគឺជាប្រភេទម៉ូតូធំអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបាទហើយយើងក៏តែងតែឃើញម៉ូតូនេះនៅសហរដ្ឋអាមេរិកក៏ដូចជានៅប្រទេសនៅសហគមន៍អឺរ៉ុបមួយចំនួន Let's move. Iron Man, red Iron Man. Okay, another one. Mini excavator. Mini excavator, very nice excavator. Okay. How about this one? Ambulance. Ambulance. Next one. Mobil Truk.បាទ Mobil Truk ឬក៏ឡានទឹកដីឬក៏ truck បាទ truck ឡានទឹកដី Let's move. បាទអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានេះគឺជាប្រភេទឡាន cute បាទឡានតូចប៉ុន្តែ cute ជាប្រភេទ metal car បាទឡានដែក metal car green color. Mini airplane. Logistic truck. Logistic truck. There are two containers, green one and yellow one. Now check another interesting car. Garbage truck. បាទ garbage truck ពេលឡានប្រមូលសម្រាមអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា Okay, everybody, if you love this video, please like, comment, and especially click a subscribe button So now thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Good luck.